today's video regarding Canon Pixma TS3450 printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. Now first step is to switch on the printer and open the ink cartridge chamber door. Ink cartridge chamber door is here, so there is a hook here, so press it down and it will open. Wait for the ink cartridges to move and come in the position. So there is a lock here which is a blue lock, so you have to press it down, both locks, and take the ink cartridges out. So the space in this printer is little bit less. Now take your new ink cartridges out and place them here. So black will go to the black side. Simply slide it in and push the lock up. Place the color ink cartridge and push the lock up. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door and check on the display screen if there is any error or not. This way we can install the ink cartridges. Thanks for watching.